Hello, in this video it will be demonstrated how to use ApinCore extension to generate a fully functional REST API web service based on .NET Core. So this is website where you have more information about service and how to get that extension, download that extension. And so basically you need extension already installed on your Visual Studio 2019. Community Edition is fine. So once you get your extension installed, you just pick up that extension and then create a solution from that extension that we're gonna do right now. We click create button, and then automatically it will be created a solution based on .NET Core 3.1. So it will create REST API service with all plumbings, layers, services, unit of work, logging, authentication, testing, extensions, and more. So solution is already created. So just resolving those dependencies. That's resolved automatically by Visual Studio. And at the end, after those dependency and packages retrieved, we got a fully functional solution with 5 projects. So this is a starting definitely solution that has created starting 2 entities. It's created 2 entities. Okay, starting 2 entities, account and user. And this is step 1. So we get API template. So now next step is to update database connection string. So we can grab it. We can get it in upsetting JSON. So it's for API project, and one has to be updated for test project. Here we go. Once get updated, that's step 2. Now step 3, we have to either run integration tests to initiate EF migrations and create 2 tables from 2 initial entities, user and account, or we can run service starting page, from here to achieve pretty much the same. So we will run right now unit tests that are created here, generated, when we created solution. So basically we just run those tests, that's it, and wait for results. If your database link is correct and you can connect your database, it will be created database with those 2 tables in it. So right now those tests are running. There you go. Yeah, all successful. So that's the results we're looking for. So again, additional, instead of running these tests, you can achieve the same thing about migrating those 2 entity tables and creating 2 tables in this database. So if you go and refresh, there you go, we got database and 2 tables with migration history, of course. So here we go, that's created, and then we can just show the starting info page that has some good links on it. So here we go, page is running right now. Here we go. So this is information about service created, controllers, services, and everything. And there is 2 interesting links, some YouTube instructions, and Swagger API specification. So basically this page you can use to do more testing, and it's use REST API documentation. So basically in 3 steps we created, with no coding, a functional REST API service with all required plumbing, and this could be that's great start for further development. So regarding further development and extending and customization of this service, we need more steps, and but those steps very simple. So let's go there. So basically, we will stop this solution and go. Next step, we create a new entity, and so for this demonstration, we copy existing one and make it simple, really. So we go to entity, let's copy existing one, copy, paste, the same folder, let's call it client, okay, and let's simplify a little bit. Of course, in real situation, yeah, cannot be simple like this, but then you have to do some more work. But for this demonstration, we're gonna just simplify to show that all plumbing is going to be created for this one. Okay, here we go. So we got simple one, and the next step is we just created actually entity client class. So all those other domain API test code that's more than hundreds line of codes will be created by going and using this utility, code generate utility. It's custom T4 code generator utility that will help us to create additional supporting code. So basically it's already connected to PowerShell. So of course, just keep in mind that every time you run this, it's delete previous created code. So basically, yes, nothing created with this utility before, so we can just quickly delete. And now we got running all different entity T4 entity T4 actually T4 scripts which create different support classes in this solution for this new entity. There you go, all done. So as you see right now here, this is new code created in test. There is a lot of new code here created, and next step is basically to create in database new table based on this new entity. So for that we can use this little utility nuggets. So pretty much we can use this code, copy, go to manager console, and once initializing PowerShell host, okay, make sure that you set up entity project here, and then add new migration, add client, and hit enter. There we go. See, new migration code created. So to deploy that code to database, really we need another step. Add the database, and after finish this, we can quickly confirm that table is created. There you go, it's there. Okay, so now only step last step is just run those new tests, and confirm that it's all good. So test running right now against new entity. There you go, and all good. So that's a short demonstration, how can you use this extension, to save you a lot of time. So much more about Swagger, Postman test, IS4 server in other videos. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.